Here's a 2011 BMW 5 Series. With its exceptionally good looks, powerful performance, and refined style, it transforms your driving experience. 2011 models are a complete redesign of the previous generation. It comes with great features you love: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power tilting steering column, refrigerated box located in the console, aluminum wheels, automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM HD satellite prep radio, power telescoping steering column, auto tilt-away steering column, and intercooled turbo i6 engine. This from Car and Driver. Inline sixes are naturally creamy, and BMW seems to possess a special mastery of the breed. Thrilling performance, relaxing luxury, it's everything in perfect harmony. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.